how to fix Google Play payment decline error. So if you want to fix your Google Play payment decline error, then here's how you can fix it. First, you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, navigate to your profile icon, which will be in the top right corner. From here, you need to go with payments and subscriptions and tap on payment method. And from here, you can add a different payment method. You can change your old payment method or remove it and add a new one. Either you can add your debit or your credit card to enter your card details. Once you've added your new payment method, check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then here's what you can do. You need to close your Play Store and then navigate to the Play Store app on your device. Tap and hold on to it. Go with App Info. Now here you need to go with Storage and Cache and then go with Clear Cache, which will be on the right side. Once done, you can open up your Play Store and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.